Have you ever wondered how you can make your garden more fruitful and vibrant? Composting holds the key. It enhances soil fertility, minimizes waste, and nurtures our environment. The secret to a lush garden lies in the magic of composting. Now, you might be thinking composting sounds complicated, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Composting, at its core, is as simple as gathering the right materials and giving nature a little nudge. You'll need a mix of green materials for nitrogen. Think fresh grass clippings, vegetable scraps, or coffee grounds. Then add brown materials for carbon, like dried leaves, newspaper strips, or wood chips. Now, it's time to layer these materials. Start with a layer of browns, followed by a layer of greens, and then a sprinkle of soil. Repeat these layers until your compost pile is about 3 feet high. Turning the compost pile every few weeks helps to speed up the process and ensure an even breakdown of materials. Finally, how do you know when your compost is ready? It'll be dark, crumbly, and have an earthy smell, almost like a forest floor. And there you have it, the art of composting made simple, right in your backyard. So, why should you start composting right now? Well, imagine your garden, lush and thriving, all thanks to the natural, nutrient-rich soil you've created. Picture the vibrant colors of your flowers, the robust health of your vegetables, all boosted by the magic of compost. From brown, lifeless soil to a fertile oasis, composting can awaken a sleeping garden. Real-life examples abound, painting a vivid picture of composting's transformative impact. Give composting a try and witness your garden transform before your eyes. Ready to turn your kitchen scraps into garden gold? Let's make it happen together. We have countless tips and tricks coming your way, all to help your garden thrive. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more garden magic. Happy composting!